Hey everyone, ever needed to switch your smart life devices to a new Wi Fi network? Maybe you got a new router or changed your internet provider? It can seem tricky, but don't worry, I'm here to guide you through it. Let me show you what we're working with. The main method involves three key steps: removing the device from the app, resetting the device itself, and then re-adding it with the new Wi-Fi details. Some newer devices or app versions might have an alternate network option in the device settings, which is great for router replacements. Here's something really important to remember. Many smart life devices only work on 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi networks, so make sure your phone is connected to that during setup. Make sure your app and device firmware are up to date to see if you have the newer features. This can make the whole process much easier. Let's walk through the complete process step by step. First, open your Smart Life app and locate the device you want to switch to the new Wi-Fi network. Tap on the device settings, then look for Remove Device or Delete option. Don't worry, we'll add it back with the new Wi-Fi credentials in just a moment. Now comes the physical part. You need to reset your actual device. Look for a small reset button. It's usually a tiny button that might be recessed. Hold the reset button for about 5 to 20 seconds. You'll know it worked when you see a light blinking rapidly. This means the device is now in pairing mode and ready to connect. Back to the app. Tap the plus icon to add a new device. Select the type of device you're adding. The app will guide you through the process. If the connection fails, don't panic. Here are the most common issues and solutions. First, double-check your Wi-Fi password. It's case-sensitive, so make sure caps lock and special characters are correct. Second, try restarting your router. Simply unplug it for about 30 seconds, then plug it back in. Also, make sure your device is close to the router during setup for the strongest signal. If you're still having trouble, try AP mode. This connects your phone directly to the device's Wi-Fi hotspot for setup. You can also clear the Smart Life app's cache or reinstall the app completely. Here are some important things to keep in mind. When you remove and re-add devices, any automation routines you've set up will be erased, so you'll need to recreate them. You'll also need to relink your devices with voice assistants like Google Home or Alexa. The good news is this process is usually quick and straightforward. Finally, if you have many Smart Life devices, consider using a Wi-Fi extender to prevent router overload. This can improve connection stability and performance for all your smart home devices. Remember, remove the device from the app, reset the physical device until it blinks, then re-add it with your new Wi-Fi credentials. If you run into issues, check your password, restart your router, and make sure you're close to it during setup. With these steps, you'll have your Smart Life devices connected to your new network in no time.